Hello everyone, let me hope everyone is fine. Kansubire nti mwenna muli bulungi. This video is going to be in both English and Luganda. Eno video egenda kubeera mu Luzungu ne mu Luganda. Egenda kuba ekulaga engeri gy'osobola creatingamu account n'otuuka ku stage y'oku uploadinga video ku Dailymotion. It's going to be simply showing you how you can create an account using the app. Using this app of Dailymotion and up to the stage of uploading the video. Kati what you do is basically simple. Kyangu nnyo ky'okola. Ojja wano n'oklickinga mu app y'obumu omaze okugifuna ku Play Store. Ogenda ku Play Store n'odownloadinga app gye bayita Dailymotion yeno erimu D. You just go to Play Store and download your app of Dailymotion, which is this app with D, with a small D. It's white and has a black D inside. So after you upload the app, what you do is basically very simple. Omaze oku uploadinga app yo, oku downloadinga app yo, kyokola kyangu nnyo, just clickinga mu app yo yennyini ejja kuleetera eno display. When you click the app, after you have downloaded the app from Play Store, it is going to, when you click it, it will bring this display. It will ask you to create an account or log in. If you already have an account, you can just simply log in. So you can, if you say you want to create an account, this is what will happen. Okay, it will bring you this. It will bring you this. Oba oyagala creating account ng'okozesa app ya Dailymotion egenda kukuleetera bino. Jjukira ngenda kukulaga engeri gy'ocreatingamu account n'ekutuusa paka uploadingira movies. Okitegeera. So nze already nina account, seetaaga creating account. Naye bw'oyagala creating account ejja kuba ekubuuza, you wants to create an account. It will ask you, do you want to create an account using Facebook or do you want to create an account using Google? So what will happen is actually very simple. If you want to create an account using Google, you can say you just create an account using Google. You click there and choose any Google account that you have that you wish to use. If you want to create with Facebook, you also click Facebook and choose any account you want to use. So me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Yeah, I will log in using my Google account. It's the same thing. So I'm going to choose this Google account. So you choose your Google account or your Facebook account and it will bring you this kind of display. After when you log in, it will bring you this. This is the display you'll get on your screen. Bonabo or good day ng'omaze creating account yo ne Facebook oba ne Google ejja kuleetera display weight eno home display, home screen eya app. Kati wansi wano waliwo home, following, search, library. Wansi down below there is home. This is home, what we are watching, what we are seeing. Following, this is the following. Then search, you know what search is. Then this is library. So let's go back to home. Cut. When it brings you here at home, you simply do one thing. You click library. You go to library, which is home, following, search, library. Wasooka waliwo home wansi. Wasooka waliwo home, following, search, library. Kati oklickinga wano ku library. Womala oklickinga library ejja kuleetera gundi wait. Waggulu waliwo library ne wabeerawo ne kano ka sign ka settings mu your top right corner. When you click library, it will bring you this kind of display whereby the heading is library, then the settings, then in the top right corner there is a sign of settings. You simply click the sign of settings or clicking ka sign ka settings. Kati ojja kulaba account yo ekitegeeza account email account yo etegeeza nti already oyina account. If you see your account showing your email address, that means you already have an account. So we scroll down or scrolling wansi n'otuuka wano we bagamba nti about us. About us, terms of use, privacy policy. Otuuka wano we bagamba nti about us, terms of use, privacy policy, clicking mu terms of use. You click on the terms of use. We are going to the stage of partnering up. To partner up, because when you create an account and you don't partner with Dailymotion, you're not gonna get paid. Okay, tebagenda kusasula. So okumala creating account yo or partnering up, yoka notandika otekayo content yo nga bamusasulira. So clicking mu terms of use. To clicking a terms of use, we are going to click terms of use next. So you choose any browsers in your phone. I don't know which browser you're using, but you pick any browser. So I'm going to choose Chrome. Ndalondawo Chrome kubanze gyenkozesa. So ejja kuleetera bino. Don't mind about this view simplified page. No, don't mind about that one. So ekyo tokifaako ekya use simplified page. What you do, you scroll down. Scrolling paka wansi, you scroll up to the last end. Scroll down. Then you can enlarge, scroll again. Then you come here to where they say partner up. There is jobs at the real bottom end. Wansi awasembera ddala. Wansi awasembera ddala waliwo jobs, API and partner up. Jobs, API, partner up. At the real bottom end waliwo jobs, API, partner up. In your bottom right corner waliwo ekigambo nti partner up. Kati ekyo ekigambo partner up kyo clickingamu oba kyokwatamu, kijja kuleetera eno become a partner. Eno become a partner ejjamu either blue or black like the way mine is. So you just click this word, become partner. Oluusi ekuleetera click become partner. Okay. You click become partner. So mine is bringing me this because I had signed out, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to log in and we'll move on. So when you click, it will you just back there, just log in. If you logged in with Facebook, you log in again. You just log in with the Facebook. If you first click I'm not a robot, then you log in with Facebook. Or if you logged in with Google, you log in with Google. Bwoba waloginze in with Facebook, mabega wali wetuvuddeko, osooka no clickinga mu kiri ekigamba nti I'm not a robot, no tickinga. Omala okutikinga n'oddamu n'ologinga in. Oba waloginze in with Facebook, n'ologinga in with Facebook. Kuba wano oba oguddewo okozesa app endala. Oba waloginze ne Google ng'ologinga in ne Google. Then ojja kutuuka wano ng'ekulaga account yo biki. Then awo oba oyagala ku uploadinga movies oba kulaba ki, just ojja wano eno page gye baleese yekulaga earnings, ndowooza olaba media, video, playlists, analytics, then channel ne earnings. Then ne bakulaga wano erinnya lya channel ne channel upload movies. Just onyiga wano mu upload videos, no scrolling bwoti, n'onyiga wano ku files, select file video, n'ogenda video ready oba wagi recordings ng'eri mu gallery yo, onyiga wano n'ogenda n'ogiselectinga, then n'ogiwandiika ebigifaako nga we nakulaga mu video ziri endala. Ndowooza buli omu wano atuuseewo bulungi, kyembadde nsinga okwagala. Otherwise, I love you guys. I hope this video has been very helpful. Peace.